Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of illuminating aesthetics as we invite you to explore modern table lamp designs that redefine contemporary lighting. Our channel is curated showcase of the latest trends in the innovations in table lamps, ranging from sleek and minimalistic to bold and artistic creations. These modern designs transcend the conventional, offering a perfect blend of functionality and style of an interior space. Discover the transformative power of modern table lamps as become focal points, adding character and ambience to your home. From smart features to eco-friendly materials, our videos guide you through the diverse facts of modern lighting technology. Whether you seek a chic addition to your living room or a functional yet stylish beside companion, or exploration of modern table lamp designs caters to various tastes and preferences. Join us in unveiling the versatility of these illumination creations, exploring the use of unique materials, innovative shapes, and customizable features that make modern table lamps both practical and visually stunning. Let your home be a canvas for contemporary illumination, where every table lamp is a story of a modern design sophistications. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.